Hey guys, Kim here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is very exciting. Oh my god. So this is one of the first batches of orders I made at AliExpress. I'm going to put the shop link down below. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I bought it with my own money. Hashtag treat yourself. So, dude, oh my god, it's so exciting. Alright, so this is, dude, look at this. This is a big ass washi tape. This is the first time I saw this, like, this big of a washi tape. But look at this. It's ginormous. Also, of course, it came with a bubble envelope and then a bubble mailer. And then this one came with a plastic, but I already took it off so you can see. But I retained the sticker on the side just so it doesn't get any ill in there, like dust or whatever. But I'm gonna put it in my washi tape box collection soon. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Holy moly. As much as I want to unravel it, I feel like I've been unraveling so many times. I really gotta use it. But this is the abstract pattern. Wow. Look at that. I love it. Alright, next is this washi tape with leaves. I already just this box packaging is so adorable. I die. So what's inside is actually this one. Oh. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Really nice. But the thing with this is that there's some leftover film on the other side. But wow, look at this gold foil though. This gold foil. I love the leaves. I love the girl. I love the grid. I love the pattern. Love, love, love it. Alright. Feeling I'm super duper excited for this one. Okay, inside this envelope. So this is like a transparent packaging, and this junk journal envelope is really nice. So what it looks like, so I bought like 4 different patterns, and once you open it, of course you get this plastic bag, and then this is the envelope. It's see-through, so I can totally reuse this once I'm done. Alright, so this pattern, I think it's this one over here. I lined them up over here. Sorry, my bed is horrible. But these are the patterns you can get. They're already like, these are like sticker flakes, but the round ones. Some of the patterns you can get that order. Since this sticker sheets or this sticker flakes is like, I guess the way they print it out and cut them out, it's kind of hard to take it off. So it's easier if you have some nails. As you can see, my nails are really short. So it might take me a while to actually take this off, but look at this. It's just like regular paper, or kind of like newspaper vibe feel. I just love the type. I love the colors. I love the patterns. So that's why I bought it. I like it. I see it. I love it. I bought it. Alright, so there's that. So I'll probably put it outside this plastic bag so I can see what's inside before I unravel it. Okay, the next pattern is this yellow one. Ooh, ooh. So there's only a few actually that I chose that's in there, but there's probably more. But just look at that. I think my favorite are the types, and this one. This is so nice. And grids. Wow. So there's that. So, oh, okay. So inside these little things is actually like 100 pieces of these guys. Alright, so this one are the blue ones. That's what you get. This is more like a newspaper type vibe. Super excited. I'm gonna use it with my planner. I'm gonna use it with my scrapbook. The possibilities are endless. So yes, I got 100 pieces of those. Repeating patterns. And the last juicy bit are these guys over here. Wow. Man, just looking at this makes me so happy just touching it. Nice. So it's not really matte, it's not really glossy. It's kind of like just regular printer or newspaper print kind of thing. I just love the patterns, just looking at it. And there's so many things to choose from. So yeah, that's basically it for my Nini haul. I bought this at AliExpress. Surprisingly, this is one of the first. This is one of the fastest that got here in America. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more of my hauls and art videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.